Hey, happy people. It's your girl, Tanya Hall, the Chocolate Mama. And listen, hey, I know it's been a minute since we've been together, but I just want to let you know I never stopped thinking about you and about your business. And I came back with something really amazing, really fantastic that's going to change the way you do business and work forever. I created something that's called the AI Clone Kit, and it teaches AI how to communicate in your voice. It sounds just like you. It's not a robot, it's not a template, it's you. And so I created something that has 5 components and 1 hour worth of setup time. And right now, today, up until midnight, this item is only going to be $27. After that, the price goes up. But stay with me because I want to show you some people who have already gotten access to it, already been using it, and how they've been using it for their business. You ready? Let's check it out. Okay, so now we are going to start with the brand calibrated script to get started. Here we go. Samples that I just got through having you to do, which you've already done. And then you're going to scroll down. Okay, right there. Everything that's in that purple box starting with the word I,
Okay.
you're going to copy and you're going to go paste it over in the Claude, but you're not going to hit enter. You're just going to copy and paste, starting with the word I. Yes, go all the way down. You got to
Oh,
copy all of it, all of it, all of the words that's in the purple box, all the
okay.
way to there. We go, copy, and then you're going to go over to Claude and you're just going to paste, but don't hit enter.
Okay.
Okay, so see where it says sample one, sample two, sample three. In
Yes.
those brackets where it says paste your first piece of writing here, go and get whatever you're going to get and paste it in there, and then do the same thing for the second writing and for the third writing. Okay, so I want you to see, here are the results after using the voice DNA. So what it did, it is created Mercedes Tish, her out of Kima, a mom of three, and she's marine detailing professional. It created her a beautiful um, personal DNA describing her to a T, exactly who she is, what her methods are, her voice, everything about her. It created right here in a very straightforward kind of path. We were able to next to create this document, and this document is her blueprint for her business. So without a adequate voice DNA, it's very difficult for AIs to create something based on you specifically. So based on her work experience, things that she knows how to do, is basically created her plan. And I just want you to pay attention that it basically started with a starting capital of $250, which is where we asked it to start. And we wanted to create the plan from 2026 to 2030 so that we can get an idea of range. It's giving her a 5 year, what kind of what we're looking at from starting point investment. Is breaking everything down, her growth trajectory, and all this is based on probably over 600 data points that it used to create this. That means it went and researched the internet and the industries as a whole, and it created her a $1 million plan that she now can execute. She now can take this plan and go in it. What that means for her by the end of year two, the end of year three, the end of year five, it broke down exactly for her. Year one, year two, year three, it broke out every little bit of a program just for her. Okay, so next I'm going to show you. Um, Next, I'm going to show you another lady, Lady Linda Bird, and what it did for her and her business. Same parameters. She entered in using the AI clone kit, component number one. She entered in the DNA script that I have there for you. And then let's look at what it spit out for her. Let's go take a look. Start here. So the first thing it did is showed up and it created her 10K profile, which is where I like to start with people. And it gave her again in her theme and her colors and her scheme. It gave her a complete footprint, a digital footprint of what's working and what's not of her business right now. It gave a web audit. It gave a marketing forces, 5 revenue streams that she had not thought about could possibly grow her business. projections, and a 90-day plan. Then finally, it ended with her 5 year, the top earning potential for her business, and it broke everything down through years. So she could, so on a, like right here, it says on a conservative path, it could be 3.8 million, around 3.8. But on the top path, that means that she wants to be a little bit more aggressive. This plan can garnish her $6.15 million. So this is what you get when you tap into the DNA profile, which I really hope that you will. I hope that you will invest in yourself and your time, learn how to use AI to grow a business around you, your parameters, because both of these ladies have very strict parameters. Mercedes had a parameter that she could only work about an hour and a half to 2 hours a day and only 5 days a week because she has 3 kids under the age of 8 that she's taking care of full time. So this business cannot overwhelm her. Whereas Linda had a lot more time available, a little bit more time. I think she had about 2 or 3 hours a day to be able to give for 6 or 7 days a week that she'll be able to add to her schedule and pull this out. But she had a short window in which she wanted to make it happen, a shorter window of time. And she didn't want to do all the different businesses. She just wanted to narrow it down to 1 or 2 businesses out of those 5 ideas that it gave her. She only wanted to be able to take 1 or 2 of them and build her riches that way. And they both got exactly what they want from a very simple DNA product. So I really hope that you take some time today, invest. Again, I said the clock is running out. It goes until about midnight tonight at $27. However, it's going to go up in price, but it's still going to be well worth it if it builds out something amazing and fabulous like that for you and your business. Okay, take care. Stay close. Bye-bye.